I said 2023 is the perfect year to get rich because I personally have seen opportunities in the stock market. I personally have seen opportunities in the crypto industry. I have seen much opportunities in agricultural sector due to the global economic crisis that we are facing these days. Yes, a lot of people cannot see this. The whole of 2022, we have been on recession, but most people cannot see this one because our top leaders, even some media houses, are saying that we are not on recession. Most media houses are saying that it is not true that recession is happening now. The hikes of interest rates by all central banks all over the world to create cash shortages are putting the global economy under pressure. And that is why when you enter into the stock market, you will see a lot of companies that are coming down. You see a lot of companies in red. What is this telling us? This is telling me personally that there are more opportunities in the stock market right now. So I just this year to buying my blue chip companies. I have to do my own due diligence to get my best blue chip companies down. Hey guys, we need to be wise enough and use our brains to stand on the stock market in 2023 to get our wealth. Knowledge is power, and so we need knowledge in the stock market to succeed. And when we have this power, we'll be able to overcome our poverty by using the stock market in the 2023 to get our reach. I encourage all of us to be so much powerful that we will overcome the stock market, or we will use the stock market to get our wealth. Yes, earlier on, I've said that I've seen opportunities in the cryptocurrency industry. The uncertainties we are having in the cryptocurrency market right now does not mean that the crypto will not survive this. The problems, the ups and downs that we are having in the cryptocurrency market does not mean that lawmakers are going to wipe away the crypto industry. No, that cannot happen. They can only regulate the sector. Well, I'm not in their mind anyways, but then they can only regulate the sector. And if the sector is being regulated, then think about the investors of the crypto. What are they going to gain? They are going to gain a profit on their investment. And that is why I say I've seen opportunities in the crypto industry too. The stagnation in which we have been in for a very long time is now coming to an end gradually. In fact, what most financial investors fear in the market most is uncertainties, and slowly the uncertainties are coming to an end. Everyone, even a small investor, will have a little knowledge about the crypto market and how to utilize the markets at this period to make some money in the market. So that is a great opportunity because the uncertainties are making the markets to be on sale now. So everyone have to do his own due diligence research about his best cryptos and invest money in there and take some little courage and buy cryptos down. When the sector is being regulated, you have a yield on your investment. That is why I said I have seen opportunities in the crypto industry. I hope we do not have or we do not experience any new disaster in the coming days, in the coming years in the crypto industry. All crypto investors, I encourage you to have a little patience in the market. Good days await us. Yes, the agricultural sector is not left out. There are chunks of opportunities in the agricultural sector. We only need to open our eyes to see the opportunities in that sector. Guys, the recent uncertainties globally, in the global economy, have caused so many food shortages around the whole world. So we need to open our eyes to see the opportunities in there. True wealth is when your passive income equals to your take-home pay job. The amount doesn't matter. It can be different for everyone. Let's say your take-home pay is 2,000 and your passive income also gives you 2,000. In my opinion, you are gradually achieving your financial freedom, provided you can accumulate or you can set up more passive income avenues. I hope and believe that this is an eye-opening video to all of us. My name is Simonzy, a small business owner, a marketer, and an average side hustler. If you come across this video for the first time, please smash that like button for me. I really will appreciate that. I will see you in the next video. Peace.